Hi, in today's video I would like to show you the process of turning over a bed, and this is a passive method. I'm using plastic mulch for that purpose, and as you all know, we are not digging or tilling in the garden, so the 3R garden is completely no dig. We are not inverting the soil layers at any time. So when we have to turn over a bed, we have to find such solutions we can use without turning over or rotating the soil layers. So in this specific case, I was growing peas in these two beds next to me, and I harvested all the peas in the past 2 weeks. And after I'm done with harvesting, I would like to remove the residues from the plant. And in this case, what I was doing, I was just cutting the stems of the peas above the soil level. And I'm doing this because I would like to keep all the root system of the peas in the soil. As you know, the peas are nitrogen fixing plants, so they can fix nitrogen from the air and they can bring it down to the root system and it feeds the soil. So I would like to keep the root system of the peas in the soil, and I would like to feed the soil biology with that. And also all the residues of the roots are really good food for all the soil biology. So after I removed all the pea residues to the compost heaps, I just need to use this plastic mulch, and I'm using this plastic fabric which is 1 meter wide, so it's perfect for our 75 centimeter or 30-inch width beds. And I just have to put the cover on top and just use some bricks to fix it in its place. And after that, I just need some time. And with the time, the soil biology and in this nice summer heat, it will degrade all the residues and it can feed on the root system of the peas. And after 1 or 2 weeks, I will have a completely clean bed which is ready to plant. So for this method, you just need some kind of layer of plastic just to stop any light, and it can kill off all the plant residues. And after it's killed off, the soil biology and the living organism in the soil can feed on these residues. And after a few weeks, depending on the weather and the season, you can have a completely clean bed ready to plant. So in this bed, I would like to plant some fall brassicas, and I just need a few more weeks for these transplants to be ready. So in the next 3 or maybe even 4 weeks, I'm just gonna keep these beds covered, and after that I just need to uncover it and I can start planting. So it's just easy like that. You don't need to till your soil, you don't need to dig your soil, you just need to feed all the living organisms in the soil. So I hope you like this content and follow our channel if you would like to see more content like this, and we're gonna catch up with this process in a few weeks. So subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.